What's up, guys? Welcome to Protect and Survive. Today we're going to talk about your fire extenders that will last quite a while to get your fire going in an event of emergency. So these are for like emergencies, but you can use it to practice with too, since you have like more than one, right? We're going to get into it. I'm going to show you how it's done. Speed up the video because it's a little process, but it's worth it. Alright, so I put it inside some aluminum foil so it can melt and catch on the foil. Put it in a pot, just gonna melt it down. Be right back. Alright, so I have some of this wax melted a little bit. We're gonna just show you that it's there. Okay. It's soaking up the wax. Alright. Flip it around if you want. Alright, cool. Now this is it soaked, right? What you want to do is you want to let this dry. Alright? Let that melt, right? And what you're left with is a string that's also dipped in wax. You can use that also. Utilize every piece. Nothing goes to waste. Alright? So we'll be right back and we're going to test one of these guys out. So guys, welcome back to Protect Them and Survive. So we have these cotton rounds, they dried up. We're going to burn one. I may have to speed up the video because he's burned for a long time. Let's get to it. Yeah. Alright, so these are something you want to burn with a lighter. Okay. This is from the tin that we made earlier. You want to burn this with a lighter, and just to show you, look, you can even dip it in water if you wanted to. Has no effect on it, right? It's just wet. But they will burn. Quite some time. Right? Going? Go. Right? Now you're gonna get your twigs. You're gonna go from pinky size, thumb, and, you know, the thicker the branches, the better, the longer the fire burns, right? So you can see this. Shut this off. Shut this off. Alright? And that's what you have there. You guys see that? And it will burn. Look, it's still burning. Anything else would have been used up already. Would have been done. Get a close up of this over here. Okay, just so you can see it. It is what it is, right? And this will burn for quite some time. Now remember, you don't want to put too many twigs on top of your flame. You don't want to snuff the flame out. You want it to have oxygen to breathe. So you want to make sure there's a gap in your twigs, in your twig formation, so you get enough oxygen for it to breathe. Okay. Now this is just an example. Alright? Look at that. It's barely touching the surface. Can you see that there? And it's still going. Look at that. Alright? Look, I'll even drop it in water. Turn it off, okay? Guys. This is very useful in a survival situation, in an emergency. It's good to have these as backup, right? Always have these as backup. In an emergency situation, you get your lighter, you light that. That will light for about 20 minutes to half hour or more. Okay, it really depends on how much wax it absorbs, how the wind's blowing, and what you're doing, right? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Protect Them and Survive. Stay safe. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Protect Them and Survive. So we have these cotton rounds.